friends, welcome back to my channel, Rachel Reviews. We have a Stitch Fix unboxing today. Here we go. Stitch Fix. If you want to learn more about Stitch Fix, read my description below. It's a styling service. They send you 5 items. The styling fee is $20. That goes towards what you keep in the box. And it's really awesome. If you haven't tried Stitch Fix before and you'd like to, I'm going to leave my referral link down below as well. And that'll give you $25, towards your first fix. And yeah, it's pretty sweet. Anyway, we're going to jump right into it because if you're watching this video, you probably know what Stitch Fix is. And here we go. How is everybody? It's Valentine's Day today, the day I'm posting this, so we're doing hearts on our shirt here. Hello again, Rachel. I hope you're having an amazing week. We had unusually nice weather yesterday, although still cold. So I was soaking up the sunshine while it lasted. Give me that vitamin D. I am vitamin D deficient, as is most people in the winter time. So take some vitamin D out there. I'm not a doctor. If you can't take vitamin D, don't do that. Thank you for your sweet note on the last fix. I'm sorry the sizing didn't quite work out for you. It's okay. I do have Insta, although I confess I don't post often. She's listing her Instagram name. I don't know if she wants me to say that, so I'm not going to. I followed you, and I love how you transformed that bookshelf. Thank you. I did. We had this bookshelf at our old house that was just like kind of off in the corner. We didn't really use it. It was like a catch-all. And we made it into our entertainment center for our TV. So if you want to check out my Instagram, it's eyebrow06, and you can see it on there. It's beautiful. Did such a great job. Good job, my husband. Because he did most of it. All of it? Almost all of it. I held the extension cord while he sprayed it with paint. So I helped. Such a great idea, and it turned out beautiful. I've been wanting to turn my dresser into a bench. Do it. Love sustainability. Jumping in honor of Valentine's Day, the first piece I chose for you is a pink pullover with cute hearts by Daniel Rain. Pair with these oars. I saw that one on my Shop My Looks, and I was like, oh my god, that's really cute. And I think Jill from What Jill Wears got it in her box too. Cute Hearts by Daniel Rain. Pair with these Vigoss Destructed jeans or try the fun ruffle sleeve top in black by Artisan. Can't wait for your feedback. Talk soon. XO Deanna. Thanks, Deanna. Alright, so we'll get into it. Stitch Fix also sends you the mailer, so you can mail back the things you don't want and just pop it in your mailbox or post office, whatever floats your boat. So we have 2 bundles today. Here's the first one with that cute heart top there. But look at, it's totally Valentine's-y themed. Very nice, Deanna, with the colors. I really like that kind of purple and green mixed together. You got the black top there, probably with the ruffle sleeves she was talking about. Because you know what, for once, I didn't look. My friend Mari looked for me. I didn't look. So, good for me. I mean, I looked when I took them out of the box, but this is all I've seen. So we have this big chunky sweater here, and then these are the jeans. So which one should we do first? You're right, the pink heart top. Crinkle, crinkle, crinkle. Some people don't like the sound of the paper being torn, but how else am I gonna get into the bundle? How else? This is so cute. I love it. I hope it fits good. So this is by Daniel Rain. It's the Daniel Rain Lena, L-Y-N-A, crew neck pullover in pink. And even though this doesn't show, look how cute on the inside. I wonder why that's there. But it's a nice, cute little detail. Look how cute that is. And I would wear this all the time. I wouldn't just wear it on Valentine's Day. So I think that's super cute. I really need to get a desk in here or something because I just put the clothes right on my lap when I'm done looking at them. So this is interesting. It's ribbed, it's black, see the ribbing? And then it has, look at it, it's got chiffon ruffles. I thought it was gonna be all this ribbed material, but then look at how pretty. That's really pretty. Look how blown out we just got from that black shirt. Oh, that's pretty, okay. This is dun, 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 Design History, Ethelda Ruffle Bell Sleeve Pullover in black. That's so pretty. Okay, we're moving along. We're moving right along. Footloose and fancy free. This is a shirt for you and me. Not really a it's just for me, but maybe for you if you request it. This is by Fortune and Ivy, and it is the Odessa cowl neck knit top in purple, size XL, and I love cowl necks. Look at how cute that is. It's got blue and pink and purple and gray. I like that. I like it. And does it have pockets? No. So I have this one cowl neck one that has pockets in the front that I just wore yesterday actually, but it has like the tassels with the metal on the end, and that's really cute too. There's our first bundle. Let's get into the next one. I'll set it aside. Crinkle. Okay, she a chunky one. Look at that sweater. That's kind of cute. Kind of cute. We'll see how it looks on. It's kind of chunky. It has like regular sleeves. It's not like a bell sleeve or like a balloon sleeve. I love Ellie. The Misty crew neck ombre marled pullover in pink 1X. So I think we're going for more of an oversized look with this one. But that's kind of cute. You know what? This reminds me of Easter. I don't know. Does it remind you of Easter? A little bit Valentine's, a little bit Easter, a little bit of everything. So we'll try that. It's really soft. We have some Vegas jeans. I don't know what it is. I love Vegas. Here we go. But these are in just a size 16, and I have been doing the 16W because it does have a little bit more room, but these do feel a little stretchy. These are the light wash. They have like some distressing, just like little bits. They're not like holes or anything. I don't have any light wash right now, so I'm kind of excited about that. But there's the pockets, and then the bottom, there is some more distressing at the bottom, it looks like. So, all right, well, let's try everything on. I hope these Vegas jeans fit because I really love Vegas. So, all right, let's get to it. The jeans don't fit because they're not a 16W. But they're cute otherwise. I put the sweater on. We'll talk about that in a minute. But I put the sweater on because it's big and oversized, so it'll cover the not zipping part. But they are cute. See, the 16W I think just gives it a little bit more in the waist. But then as I'm looking at this in the viewfinder, I'm not liking like the white patches on the back of the jeans. Doesn't really have that in the front, but so I think I like more of a mid wash to dark wash in the jeans instead. So that's not gonna work. Sad. I put my regular jeans on, my like tried and true Vegas. These are the Jagger Skinny, and see, they just have like more room back here. They go up higher, they're the high rise. I don't think those were a high rise either, maybe they are, but here's the sweater. It's cute, it's oversized. I kind of really like it actually. It's like a little bit shapeless, but sometimes you want something like that just for like comfiness, coziness, I feel like. Let's tuck it in. I mean, yeah, and then you can tuck it in too, and you still get a nice drape on the side here. I think that's cute. What do you guys think? I think you could wear it Valentine's, Easter, all spring. Wear it to work. I think that's really cute. I like the neck. You can wear it, you know, put it back higher so that this is, put it back higher, put it back further so that the neck is higher if you wanted to. Or you could, you know, pull it down a little bit like that. I think this is really cute. I like this one. All right, let's try on something else. Here we have the cowl neck, which is also super adorable. I wish those jeans would have fit, because like this box has the potential to be a 5 for $5, Deanna. But this is super adorable. I really like it. I like stripes. You know, some people don't like horizontal stripes, but I like them. And I think it's really cute. The silver on the end, I don't wear a lot of silver lately, so I just have to, you know, match my jewelry with it. Or not, you know, you don't have to. I mean, I got a gold ring over here and my white gold over here, so mix and match. And my rose gold. But I think this is really cute. It's nice and casual. Also, I just had a cowl neck one I got last year from Stitch Fix that I wasn't really wearing a lot, and I think it's because I had these strings, because I wouldn't wear them with the strings to work like this. But you can always just take them out, and then you just have like, let's tuck it. Then you just have a regular cowl neck that, you know, it's a little bit more fancy instead of having the string through it. So I really like this one too. Let's try on the black one next. Look! Look how cute these are. It's kind of like Elvira-y. Elvira. Does anybody know that song? You youngins today won't know it, but look how cute that is. Okay, if you are a fan of bell sleeves, request this shirt because this is really stretchy too. And that's just so cute. I feel a little bit like Morticia Addams. Also, besides Elvira, people know Morticia Addams. But this is so stretchy. I was afraid it was going to be like too skin tight, but it's super stretchy. And then like it kind of has, like the ribbing has vertical line, I don't know. It has lines that kind of go down like that. So it's not just like all straight down, which I think is really flattering for the bust area. But I don't know if I love it, but it is really comfy. It's cute. I would wear it to work. It's really cute. You're doing real good, Deanna. Proud of you. All right, let's try on the Valentine's Day top. Adorable. It's adorable. Shoot, I like this top, and I like the pink sweater from the beginning. I like pink. I can't help it. This is the perfect length. It's not too long. It's not cropped, but it hits just like right there. It's so cute. Now, we don't really do too much for Valentine's Day, but darn it if I'm not going to wear this top if I keep it for Valentine's Day, or at least to work. I know it's Valentine's Day right now when you're watching it, but I want to keep this top. It's Daniel Rain, so I know it's probably expensive. But I still have a gift card from my mother-in-law. Thanks, Kelly. And this is so cute. It's like so lightweight. It's got like the cute little ribbed detailing on the sleeve there. Oh. Let's put it on with the cardigan I was wearing in the beginning. Hang on. It's adorable. So like I think if if it's too much pattern for you, just wearing it by itself, throw in a cardigan with it because there's just that little bit of detail. Even though this cardigan's not like red like the hearts in the top, it just goes with it, I feel like. Shoot. Okay, I think this top and the sweater might be staying with me. All right. Annoying, I know. Let's go over prices. What a good box, Deanna. Great job. I just wish those jeans would have fit, and then maybe if they were a different wash, because otherwise that was like a total 5 for $5 box. Okay. Let's find out. Okay, so the Fortune and Ivy Odessa cowl neck top. Cowl neck? Did I say cowl neck? Cowl neck knit top. $44. That's a good price, I feel like, for that top. The Love Ellie Misty Crew Neck Ombre Marley pink sweater, $48. I think I'm gonna keep that one. It was really comfy and cozy, and it's super good, like I said, for like those days where you're just like, you want that, which is basically every day, I suppose. The Vigas Marissa Skinny Destructed Jean in blue, size 16, $68, which most Vigas things are. That's what I was expecting. The By Artisan Athelda Ruffle Bell Sleeve Pullover in black, $58. It was really good material, I feel like. Like, it just felt really nice. So stretchy, the sleeves were beautiful. And the Daniel Rain, I'm gonna keep it. The Lyna, L-Y-N-A, crew neck pullover in pink, $68. I kind of figured it was gonna be $68 because like all the Daniel Rain things I've seen on the Shop Your Looks are like $68, and when I saw this, I think I remembered it being like that. It was either $58 or $68 is what I thought. But I have a gift card And yeah, and if you guys want to sign up using my referral link, maybe I get some credit and I could keep this beautiful top. No pressure. So the stylist pick subtotal was $286, which is expensive a little bit, Deanna. The buy all discount 25%, $71.50. So the order subtotal is $214.50. And I do usually like to have my boxes be like, you know, $180 or less after the keep 5 discount. So I understand though. This was a beautiful top. You had to throw it in. I understand. And the Bagasse jeans. So $214.50 for the whole box. Which I did really like the cowl neck, but I really like this one, and I really like the other pink Easter Valentine sweater. And I'm just ready for spring. And you know, pink is like spring to me. I'm still rocking my dark hair. If you guys like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already subscribed. The subscribe button's down there somewhere. And yeah, I freaking love Stitch Fix. I haven't had like the last couple boxes were good, Deanna, but I haven't had like a good one like this in a while, so I'm excited. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys next time.